Gala Games is one of the few gaming tokens that still has a chance to give us more than a 10x in this bull market. And on today's video, I will be focusing on my long-term and also my short-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you my long-term price prediction analysis here on the daily chart. You can see that last year we got our bear market lows, and after getting the bear market lows, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the 0.08702 in a move that I have been terming as an 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 1. And after we picked in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 1, I was expecting a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of these larger 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized. And I came up with the area by connecting the fibs from the bear market lows we made last year to that high in that 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78. And that area lies between the 0.04969 and the 0.02824, which is an area that you have now fully maximized. And that means that there is a high chance that we now have a low in place for the second wave. And in the next coming weeks, we can easily start a very aggressive bounce to the upside in a 5-wave structure in what I will be terming as the start of an impulsive 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 3. Whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618 that lies above the 0.13465. And based on the current prices that we have at the moment, a bounce to that significant target area will give us more than a 10x to the upper side. Then we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback in an 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 4, then continue gearing up even higher in an 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 5. And that means that buying at the time of this recording and we get that massive bounce in this bull market, we can easily cash out more than a 10x here on the Gala Games chart. We also need to have in mind that I still have an issue with this 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 structure that we have here on the charts, since you can all see that on the Fibonacci's, we saw a break to the lower side on the last line of support, which is the fib level 0.88 that lies above the 0.02119. And the moment you see a breakdown move to that significant key area of support here on the Fibonacci's, that means that you can easily see a total breakdown move on the chart in a move that can give you a reset of the bear market lows. And the moment you get a reset of the bear market lows, you also have the risk of getting new bear market lows before you can start that impulsive movement to the upside, taking you to all-time highs. So for now, I have an issue with this 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 structure, but I'm still giving Gala Games the benefit of doubt that you're going to manage to get back above the fib level 0.88, and that is above the 0.02119. And the moment that plays out, then I will need to see a very impulsive structure over here in a 5-wave move, confirming that we have a low in place for this 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 2. And the bounce to the upside in that 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗪 count 3 has now started. So that is the first thing that I need to see for me to become mega bullish here on the Gala Games chart. And unless that happens, there's a chance that we are going to continue seeing further breakdown moves here on the Gala Games chart. Jumping to the 1-hour chart to now give you my short-term price prediction analysis. Here on the 1-hour chart, you can all see that we are seeing a bit of a breakdown move. We have also lost support on the 0.01846, flipping it back into resistance, but we are slightly holding above support on the 0.01574. And as long as that continues to hold, there's a chance that we are first going to see a break to the upper side of this descending trend line, and the moment that plays out, I will also watch for a break above resistance on the 0.01846, maybe with a retest. And the moment that plays out, there is a chance that we are going to get impulsive for the next coming days, get above the 0.022, the 0.02, having my next target areas at these highs that we made above the 0.02226 for the next coming hours or maybe days. So that is the breakout move that you need to be watching out for. And in case of further breakdown moves, we need to continue holding above support on the 0.01574, because a break to the lower side of that key area of support will be giving us a total reset of the lows that we made on the 5th of August. And at that point, we can easily see a total breakdown move giving us a reset of the bear market lows and maybe even new bear market lows in the next coming hours or maybe days. So that is all I'm expecting here on the Gala Games chart for the next coming hours and also days. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.